continue with plane shapes, and I want to encourage you to watch the previous video where we discussed the properties of a square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, and others. So today we want to continue. Number 6, we have kites. This is the picture, this is the diagram of a kite. And what are the properties of a kite? Number 1, it has 2 pairs of equal adjacent sides, and the diagonal meets at the right angle. The diagonal meets at the right angle. The correct diagonal cuts the kite into 2 isosceles triangles. By the time this diagonal cuts this kite, we are going to have isosceles triangle. We are going to have 2 isosceles triangles. The angles are not equal, and we have to know that kite is a non-regular quadrilateral. It is true that it has 4 sides, but it's not a regular quadrilateral. Then number 7, we have trapezium. The properties of trapeziums, we have number 1, it has 1 pair of parallel sides, and a regular trapezium has the non-parallel sides equal. Then number 8 is a circle. A circle is a point in a plane whose distance from a fixed point in the plane is constant. And we want to discuss about the parts of a circle. Number 1, radius. Radius is the line that joins the center of a circle to any point of the circumference of the circle, and it is denoted, that means we represent it with small letter r. So from here to this side is the radius. From the center here, by the time we draw a line to any point of the circle, that is our radius. Then we also have diameter. Diameter is the line that joins any 2 points on the circle, on the circumference through the center of the circle. Any line that joins the 2 points, for instance, this is a point on the circle, this is another point on the circle. So the straight line that joins the 2 points is known as diameter, and it is denoted by r. And diameter is 2 radius. So that's why we have our formula to be D is equals to 2r, and r is equals to D over 2. So that's why we say radius is the half of a diameter. And diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts, which are called semicircle. For instance, this side is known as semicircle, whereas this side is also known as semicircle. Then the third one is the chord. Chord is a straight line that joins any 2 points on the circumference. It does not pass through the center of the circle. There is a difference between a diameter and a chord. A chord does not pass through the center of the circle. That's why we have it any point from this side. A chord is a straight line that joins any 2 points on the circumference. Then we also have segments. When a chord divides the circle into 2 equal parts, the parts are known as segments. And we have 2 types of segments. We have major segments and minor segments. The bigger one, the bigger part, is known as major, while the smaller part is known as minor. So I want to encourage you to watch the other video on these parts of a circle. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure that you do that right now.